to find your favorites on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can find all of your favorites sound or post in your TikTok account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your TikTok app and get logged into your TikTok account. Now let's go ahead and add this post to our favorites. To do that, tap on this icon. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Refresh your page. On your second last menu, you will see this favorites icon. Tap onto it and you will see all the post collections and sounds that you have saved in your TikTok. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.